Oh look, it's another 10-minute tutorial. Hello there, it is me, Zombie King, again with another tutorial on Minecraft servers. But this time I'm only doing plugins, and I figured this video wouldn't take too long, so I just, I might as well add in, how to use Server.Properties. Now let's get Server.Properties out of the way in the very beginning. I have no clue why this was here, so just remember, stupid stuff. Alright. Server.Properties. Now, down here you got this little text file. It synced with my the notepad. So, I would have left it in notepad plus plus file, but you can always open it with notepad plus plus. All you do is click it and then right click it. And you can edit it, but it doesn't matter to me actually because the notepad is fine for server.properties. Sorry about my little voice impairment right now. I got a little case of the hiccups. Yeah, I should have waited to do it, but it's alright. They're only small. Anyways, you open up server.properties, and as you can see here, I have my Zombie Kingdom MOTD. Now, basically what that is when you open up Minecraft. Hold on a second. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I have my language set to Australian English because I have an absolute love for Australia. Just gonna put that out there. Anyways, as you can see, my server is not up right now. This is my server, 99.94.166.209, and let's put it up real quick. You guys can see how to make your own server and port forward your server in my other two tutorials so far. Um, I'm gonna run my server and just double click run the app. Now what you're seeing here, all of this loading is plugins loading. I have a lot of plugins on my server because it's not PvP or anything like that. It's SMP, which means that, you're gonna have to have a lot of plugins. I'll explain that in another tutorial. Um, but anyways, it's loading all these plugins. That's what it'll look like. There shouldn't be error messages, and there will be Java messages if the plugin does not work. Can't guarantee that every plugin works because I don't make every plugin. I haven't even made one. But I do know a lot of plugins that work, which I will recommend to you guys. Um, anyways, back to MOTD. I have this all set up to my specifications, and so I can make my MOTD look like this. I'll show you how to do that in another very short tutorial, but this one's already got 3 minutes 30 seconds going through it, and I take a lot of pointers this time. Alright, spawn protection is basically wherever your original spawn is, you get 16 blocks of protection around it in a square. Generate structures is villages and other things that generate automatically, such as those little houses you'll find in swamps. View distance is how far someone can see. Spawn monsters, that's spawning mobs. You put it as false if you don't want them to spawn. Max players is how many slots, how many people can be on your server at a time. Game mode, this is basically what game mode you want people to be when they join your server. Game mode 0 is survival. Game mode 1 is creative. There are a couple other game modes. You're gonna have to go look that up, or I might as well put it in the description. Now I have this added, enable command block true. That enables command blocks, obviously. Server name equals unknown server. See, this I'm not exactly sure about. I'm sorry about that. Difficulty basically sets how hard the mobs will be towards the people on your server. PvP equals true. That means that people can fight on your server. There are plugins that can alter this, but they can still be the same. There's a lot of stuff. Online mode. Now, I'm not really a guy to have a cracked server, but a lot of people want cracked servers. Online mode false means that people will want or people can join if they didn't buy Minecraft but they still downloaded it. Now that's kind of illegal, so I wouldn't do it if I were you. Alright, hardcore, that's hardcore mode, obviously. Snooper is basically that thing that's like when someone spams it, you put T more than once, T, like that, it'll say T in brackets times 3 instead of just spamming the chat. My plugins, one of my plugins does make sure that that doesn't happen. It kind of sucks, but it's alright. Anyways, texture pack. This is if you want a texture pack on your server. Spawn animals, true. That means you spawn animals. Derp. Whitelist. Now, basically, what whitelist is if you enable it and put true, all you have to do is type in true. You go down to whitelist file and type in any names of people you want to be able to join, and only they can join unless you add someone else's name. Server IP, this should be, actually, this is very important. I realize that IP config is important. You want to open your CMD and type in IP config and find your IPv4 address, and you want to find it and put it as your server IP. But I'm pretty sure you don't necessarily need to do that. Now, level seed, you guys know what seeds are. All you gotta do is put a seed and it'll set it for the default map. Force game mode, sorry, not sure what that does. I'm pretty much not sure what, like, this, and this do. So, allow flight, if you enable it, people can fly. But they can't fly unless they're in game mode 1. Now, level name world, that's basically what the level name is. The file world is the default. Allow nether, people can go in the nether. Op permission level 4, which means that the op people are at level 4 and they have all permissions that you ever have. Generator settings is for generating different worlds. Alright, that's about it. That took up most of the video, but it's alright because plugins aren't really something you need to explain that much now. Basically, all you want to do is you want to go on bucket.org, go to get plugins, type in whatever plugin you want. Dang it. Stupid dick, whoever fucking put that file on my computer. So, basically, all you gotta do is you gotta go find this download link right here, click it, and then you'll have download over here. You click that, you download the plugin. Now, if you can't find the plugin, normally you'd want to Google it. You download the plugin, and you find the plugins folder, and you click it, and you put the plugin in here. Now, look at all these plugins that I have. And if you want to know what plugins you have on your server, all you gotta do is go to your server and type PL. List all the plugins that you have. Now, using plugins is a different story. It's different for each plugin. Every plugin is different. Now, I'll show you guys a little bit of quirks for one plugin. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, anyways, essentials. Oh man, turn the weather off. That's one thing that essentials can do. Essentials basically is a bunch of plugins in one, a bunch of useful plugins. And you can change the weather. You can type /help essentials. You'll get a bunch of everything. Now it lets you ban IPs, lets you do a /AFK. It's very, very, very important that you get essentials because it has so many good plugins that you don't need to download and it saves space on your computer. And that's just a plugin that I recommend. And just type in essentials, essentials as in this. Sorry, essentials. God damn it. Like that. And it'll even let you type in chat like this. With different colors. Now, there's only about 10 seconds left, and this is Zombie King. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.